Hey friends, Alessandra here, and I am so stoked. This might be my favorite composting, vermicomposting, whatever, tool supply that I have found in maybe forever. Let me show you. These are my new bags that I designed the print, and I work with a print partner to get them professionally printed and assembled. But I have been hoarding all of our paper moving supplies, my tissues for my post-op because I'm still taking care of that, toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, you name it. And I have little squirrel stashes all over the house and it looks ridiculous. And people are like, why are you saving them? So now I have solved that problem. I don't look like a weird tissue hoarder. I now have official bags that we can put all of our paper goods and dry goods in that we're going to use in our urban worm bags, our worm bins, our compost pile, whatever. I have two sizes available. This is the medium and this is the large, and I am so stoked. There is so much in them right now. If it wasn't so windy out, I would probably dump it all over and let you guys see. But they're kind of like a laundry bag in the sense that got a drawstring top at the top obviously here, and we just tighten it up so you could hang it by this, or there's this that I'm really stoked about, this nice big handle, because then it will come in handy when you're trying to, like, okay, I need to go carry this up the hill to go dump some paper and dry goods in a compost bin. So this is very full. Like, I filled them as high as I could, and I was like blown away by how much I could fit in them. This is, look, I mean, look how big this, I mean, I hope you can tell. Like, here's my hand. It's this big. Like, I can't even get it all on the same screen all at once. I have it, you know, filled to the brim with paper that we can then put in our compost pile or our worm bin or something. And it's all in one spot. It looks nice. I can throw this in the pantry, wherever. I am stoked. So I'm planning on putting one probably on each floor. I'm gonna leave this big guy in the basement since that's where I'm kind of storing a bunch of my extra paper stuff from our move. But I'm thinking this medium size one would be really nice to have on every floor. And I was thinking about putting it like either in a pantry or a linen closet or something, so that way when you have like the extra paper towel roll that's empty, you can just toss it in there and it's ready to go and it's easy to grab. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. You can tell the two different fonts. One's a little bit more scripted, one's a little bit more like handwriting. So have a little bit of something for everybody. I liked both of them and I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I made one of each, and super stoked that I did. But these are going to be a game changer. I'm going to have all of the paper and, you know, the paper egg cartons, all that stuff in one spot. They're not going to be spread all over the house. And I am just super stoked. It's going to be so easy to bring it to whatever compost pile or vermicompost pile I need to dump stuff into. And I was thinking about getting another one, like, oh, thanks, Wally. Thanks for helping, buddy. I was thinking about getting another one of this size because I think for putting shredded paper in, you know, that would be really helpful, but we'll see. Anyways, I just wanted to show these to you guys. I have a professional print partner that's printing and shipping them out for me, but if you want your own or you want something similar, by all means let me know. I will link to the Etsy listings down below where you can shop these and my other flags and such. But these are going to be a game changer, and I just had to share them with you guys because they are just so great.